Hi everyone, welcome to Signly, a cutting-edge digital signature platform designed to simplify and streamline the signing process. It enables businesses of all size to sign document online with ease, securely and legally. With Signly.com, you can sign, send, manage documents from anywhere at any time using any device. The platform is user-friendly, customizable and scalable, making it ideal for small businesses, large corporations and everything in between. Signly is dedicated to ensuring that your signing experience is seamless, hassle-free and efficient. Try it today and discover the benefits of digital signature. Signing up and logging into Signly is easy with Google. All you need to do is click on the Sign In with Google button on the sign up page. You'll be directed to a secure login page where you can enter your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you can easily upload your documents directly from your Google Drive by selecting the Upload from Google Drive option. You can see the client ID clearly mentioned in the URL when you connect to Google Drive. At Signly, we take privacy and security seriously. That's why we only request for the minimal access to your Google APIs, and we never store your Google login credentials on our server. You can rest assured that your documents and personal information is safe and secure when you use Signly. Currently, when you connect your Google Drive account with Signly, you may see a warning screen due to an app verification process not being completed yet. We want to assure you that this is a standard measure taken by Google, and it's simply because our verification process is not yet completed. However, please be assured that we are actively working on solving this issue. In the meantime, you can continue your journey towards a paperless office securely with Signly. We take your privacy and security very seriously, and we ensure that all your data is encrypted at rest as well as in transit at all times. We appreciate your patience and understanding as we work to resolve this issue as quickly as possible.